Have you ever thought of converting a living room into a dining room? If you love hosting your friends and family, this is an idea you can consider. Instead of squeezing the living and dining room in one small area, dedicate the entire space for a dining room. This was cleverly designed by Pi Architects and built by us. This custom-made dining table definitely makes a statement. And on top of that, a mirror that stretches across the dining space, with a metal shelf that's powder-coated in black. A fun fact is that this metal shelf weighs 300 kg. And the not so fun fact is that we had a hard time installing it. Here are some close-ups of the cabinetry and the compartments inside. So where did the living room go to? It is actually in one of the bedrooms, but we didn't film it, so yeah. Let your imagination run wild. So yeah, let us know what you guys think about this, and thanks for watching!